Hi beautiful soul family, thanks for joining me on my channel. I'm Sudipta the Mystic Crab and I'm here with your daily reading for the 22nd of May. For those who are new to my channel, hi, thank you, welcome to my channel. Please share and subscribe if you resonate with my content. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much for sharing your love with me. The focus of this channel is to help you rise to your true potential, and I'm here every day to help you get the guidance towards the life of your dreams using the cosmic energy. So if you guys want to book a private reading with me, you can find the details in the description box below. This is a general reading, so please take the message that resonates with you, and it's a timeless reading. So if the message does not resonate with you today, it may resonate at a later time. So without any further delay, let's get into the reading. Let's see, what do we have? So 22nd is new moon, so we are entering into the new moon energy. So I have a feeling this is a time where we have to, since we have been having a lot of those closures with regards to the karmic cycles, this is a time to finally bid a farewell to that energy, say bye-bye, and then step into the new cycle and start sowing the seeds for future at this point. That's a feeling I'm having with this energy. Let's see what messages we get. Okay, so the messages that I'm getting from the cards today are, so this is the first card that I have, that's the door to romance, and it came upside down, so it's again the past energy. So this is just the past energy, how it has been lingering in the cosmos for a while now. So it's just that wearing off energy where things were not working out, and again you see a lot of red color. It's again that Mooladhara chakra where we were having a lot of constraints, financial constraints, and worries about the future, what's gonna happen, that kind of an energy. So that's what it came upside down, so that's a good indication that it's going away. It's all going away. And see, the world came like in the it wasn't upside down. So the world card, it kind of shows that one cycle has completed and we are entering into another cycle. So this is the time where you can master your own destiny, create the world of your dream. So bring that into your reality. You are at the manifesting, you have that manifesting power right now. So utilize that cosmic energy to your benefit to create that life of your dreams, as the karmic cycles have already come to end. If not, they're almost towards the end. So the next card I have are the financial constraints, and since it was in reverse, so a good indication, people who have been suffering with the financial constraints, stop worrying about it, they're gonna go away. You won't have any more financial constraints. Things will start working out as we enter this new moon's energy. Keep doing your work, constantly focus on things that you're doing honestly, and just believe that things are working out in your favor. Next card I have here is the second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So second chakra is the sacral chakra, Swadhisthana. So this chakra is more to do with desires and all. So if you have had some dreams, if there have been some feelings or things that you wanted to do for a while and you have been pushing them away, this is the time you need to work on that chakra. You need to rewrite those desires, you need to reclaim those dreams and allow those feelings and emotions to flow easily, so that it removes that blockage from the way. And then I have this card, hostilities. So it says that we still have a little bit of hostile energy where we still are not completely in control. And it makes sense because of all the lockdown and everything that's going on because of the virus. We are kind of constrained to a certain extent, but this is also a good time because we are constrained physically in a particular space, but inside us, within us, we are not constrained. we can still have those healthy desires, our emotional needs, our balance that we need to bring within ourselves. Those are works we have to do on ourselves, and we can do it anywhere, irrespective any lockdown or no lockdown. So this is what I'm getting from these cards. And let's see, I want to take a card from Moonology. Since we are entering the new moon, let's see what do we have from the Moonology. Oh, all right. What do you need to release? So again, there is still, if you see here, this card and this card, it looks very similar to me with regards to the cosmic energy. If you see around here, the stars and the constellations over here as well, like with the clouds and everything, the way the light is reflecting, it's just that last bit of release. What is that little last bit of release left? Let go of those things which are not serving you good, so these hostilities can come to an end, and now you can move into this fresh new world with positive energies and be able to receive all those blessings and abundance that you have been waiting for such a long time. It wants to work in your favor provided you let go. What you need to release, that's what you need to focus on. Just find out those things which have been holding you down. Are there things which are emotionally pulling you down? Are there things which are physically pulling you down? Whatever it is, are there relationships, are there people, are there limiting belief systems? This is the time where you need to release and let go of it once and for all. Alright guys, that's what I have for you today. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow again. Till then, I'm sending you so much love and blessings. Bye. Love you all. Have a good day.